Hey guys, I'm going to try to do a really quick short demonstration of drawing ovals in perspective, okay? So without fully doing a grid, so I don't want to freak you guys out, okay? So bear with me and let's do this, okay? So I'm just going to get the pencil tool here. First and foremost, I said to you guys, in the experience of steampunk, obviously there's steam structures, right? Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in so my lines become a little thicker, okay? So at the end of the day, it's this. This is a pipe, okay? Oh, it's a cylinder. Boy, we all know how to do that. So you can actually stylize it, do as you wish, okay? There. This could become a barrel of some kind. Now, I want you to think something beyond the simple cylinder. I want you to draw this kind of stuff, and then I want you to take the time and add more to it. Look, the minute I add these bumps, see here, I'm pushing here. I'm pushing the design further, okay? So for example, right here, okay? So like that, there. And you want to make this into a barrel that has like stuff dripping and who knows what, right? You can do stuff like this. You can come in here and like I'm drawing really fast here. Let me lighten this up here, and I'll add that to it, whatever, make my pencil smaller, who knows, right? So I can come in here and you know, start playing around. So that's just the barrel. So in terms of pipes, remember your figure drawing lessons, okay? So I asked you guys to do this in the past. So when I just zoom in here, and I said to you guys, try to do stuff like this, okay? So make these curves and then add cylinders to it. Well, that's essentially the pipe, okay? So if I'm going this way, I'm just going to go like this. Look, draw, boom, boom. And the way I know this, because I'm thinking of this right here, and I'm thinking the bottom is being exposed. I'm looking up so I see the bottom, right? So therefore, these curves are turning this way. Okay, there. Now, if I'm going down here, I don't know yet. I'm just going to do my circles, and I'm just going to connect them, my ovals, sorry. And there it is. So now I'm seeing this as an exposed area, right? So my curves are in this direction, right? Okay, cool. And I'm going really, really fast here, okay? Just so that we can get the comfort zone back. It's something you know already. It's not something you do not know. You've never been familiar. It's about applying our skills to multiple areas, okay? It's not just learning for the sake of learning and applying it once. So I drew this, and I had a blast doing this. I should have recorded it. So I'm going to say bye-bye to this entire drawing, and I'll just do another one, okay? So first, I started with this marker with the brush where it's soft, loose, all of the above, okay? So I know at the end of it, like again, I keep using the words at the end of this. So this is isometric, one view here, right? That's flat. It's going up, it's having a bend, whatever, right? Okay, so let's stylize this, okay? So I'm going like this here. I'm turning, maybe I'm going something like this. See here, I'm trying to figure out what's going on, okay? And I'm thinking to myself, this is an angle bracket here of some kind that connects these pipes. Okay, so this is loose. Toulouse-Lautrec. Okay, that's my joke, sorry. Okay, so there, and I'm like, what's going on here? So let's just add what we do know. We know there's a bunch of ovals here, okay? So this should like go, what is he doing? So look, I have a curve, I've stylized, narrow to large to opening, okay? So it's not just, you know, I'm not just doing stuff that are parallel, so I'm stylizing stuff, okay? And on top of this, what am I going to do? Add a cone. Gee, we learned that in grade 9. Look, you know it's this. From the center, you go up, you connect. Okay, so there's my rough connection of what I saw. Okay, so this is my base of everything I draw, right? So look, I've got all these ovals. Now I'm going to add another layer. Lower the opacity, crank this out. Let's bring another color in here. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, so I know. Let's see, that's a little too thick. Should I put this on? Let's see what this will do for me. Okay, so I'm just going to go like this here. I'm going to turn. I'm going to come in here. And let's see. 1, 2. And I'm taking this because, look, here. And what's happening here? Am I going to go this way? Perhaps. If I'm seeing this area, then I'm turning everything this way. Okay, so there's my curve. There's this one. Okay, and then I'll just go here. boom, and I'm using the ink, the fountain pen here, okay? So I've never used that before. It's kind of fun. So let's see what I could do here, okay? Watch. And I'm just drawing loosely, okay? All right, so we've got this down, right? Okay, it's kind of turning this way. All right, things are happening. Okay, get rid of that. That's kind of weird. Okay, let's add more detail, right? Okay, so basically I'm just adding another layer, guys. So look, so what I'm going to do here, like I said before, okay, you got to go darker here. Let's punch this out. Okay, like, see, already I'm punching things out. So there's like tangents are happening. Look, and then I can come in here. I can thicken this up. I can say, yeah, you know what, this should continue turning, whatever. But these are my structural connections, right? And then punch out, come in, punch out, come in. So we're making, so if you squint, you will see all these little parts that stick out, right? That's making it a lot more interesting than doing this. Look, here it is, ding, 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 ding. There you go. You can, if you want to start figuring out your ideas this way, I'm not saying no, but look at the difference. Okay, so, all right, so this can be done on paper, pencil crayons, Crayola, go to town on it, okay? So just bring the elements you want to use, okay? So maybe this perspective is off, so what? Look, I'm going to change it. Maybe the top is like this, right? And then you can come in here and do your coloring or your shading, whatever you want, right? And I should keep things simple. Okay, so there's that. What else can I do here? Bye, 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 bye. Let's see, what else did I draw here? Yeah, this was, okay, so let's do clocks and whatever else. Let's just go like that really fast. Bye-bye. Another layer here. Okay, so you can say, what if you had this telescope business, right? Okay, so let's see. Can I use pencil? Yeah. Okay, so look. Let's zoom in and make my lines look a little thicker. So look, guys, I'm just going to do this big telescope here, okay? So all I'm doing is drawing my ovals. You know this. And then I'm going to come down, okay? So here's a telescope that's sticking out right here. And I'm just, look, go out again. I'm playing. And I'm keeping this things loose. That's the goal here, guys. Keep loose. Get ideas happening. Okay? So now I'm going to, here's a part that's kind of weird for you. But I'm going to try to figure out this part. I'm going to have this lens sticking out, right? So instead of just doing this and going, yeah, there's a lens, but however, we know that a hemisphere is a half a sphere, right? So I'm kind of taking a half a sphere, squashing it down, and trying to make lens out of it, okay? So there's that idea. Look, so I could draw it like this, see what's going on, okay? There. And I'm going really fast so that I don't take a lot of time, guys. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, come out this way. Thicken this out if you want. Okay, find your centers, and then come in here. And then what you can do is, like with a blue or green, you can color this in underneath and go away from it. Okay, so lastly, look, I'll take this. And then if you are working digitally, look, I'll make this smaller and it's going to become even more, it's crisp, okay? So there's the part that's something sticking out of a building, let's say, or a roof, right? So if this was some kind of a roof, I don't know, like, I don't know my perspective right now, but let's say it's something like this, right? Okay, so I've got these lines coming in, boom. Okay, so there's this part sticking out, look at that. And you know, like, we got to figure out our tangents. So just imagine if you're turning this way, turning that way. So try to figure that out. I haven't done it correctly here, but the idea is there. Okay, so look, I'm having parts stick out, and you know what I mean? I can have parts here going like this. See? I'm making stuff up, guys. Look, panel here, grid here, right? This is what I mean. I want you guys just to go and have fun. Okay? And then, like, this takes many versions. I'm not stopping here going, oh, this is too hard. I'm going to try to figure it out, guys. I'm going to try to figure this out. Okay? So we've done this. Look how cool and fun this is. So I can go to a layer underneath. Let's click here, boom. And now I can bring in some washes and colors and so on. You know the brush to use, and we can go from there, right? So you know what, I can come in here and make this really big. I don't know, I can come in here and darken down here a bit. Okay, just go over this stuff and so on and so on. Like, see, and I let the light move for me, and then I can come in here, change this up, and this is all underneath, guys. Okay, I can come in here and go, and let's bring in other colors in here. Let's bring rust. Who knows? I'm just making stuff up here. I'm going to come over here. Maybe this one is darker, and down here the light's coming, let's say, from there. Okay, so this part will be darker, lighter as I go. So you know what? Just have a blast in this. Okay, so let's go in here. I don't know what I'm doing here, and then I could go take the lighter one, boom, like that. Go even lighter, make that. Okay, so I could take this. See, bring the, you can have a blast. Okay, I don't know how long this went. 11 minutes, so have a blast. Okay, please enjoy the process. Just do it without any pressure. Go crazy, borrow drawings, redraw it, and learn from your experience. Okay, thank you guys. Grade 12s, love you guys. Bye bye.